Hello student, in this video of class 7th, we will learn about the different classification of forests. So let's start the video. Trees and shrubs growing together at a particular place is called a forest. And forests are classified into 6 basic categories: tropical evergreen forest, tropical Dashidious, temperate evergreen, temperate Dashidious, Mediterranean, and coniferous forest. So let's study about each in brief. Tropical evergreen forest. These forests are called tropical rainforest also. They are found in Orinoco, Amazon basin of South America, Indonesia, Malaysia, India, Zaire, and Africa. They occupy an area about 79% of Earth's land surface. The trees of these forests do not shed leaves altogether, and because of this, the forests remain evergreen for the whole year. These areas are hot and receive abundant rainfall throughout the year. The ground remain waterlogged because sunlight cannot reach the ground due to 3-layered vegetation. The trees are tall with hardwood, broad leaves, and they form a thick canopy at the top. The important trees of this area are rubber, mahogany, rosewood, and ebony. Wildlife of tropical evergreen forest. The world's largest snake, anaconda, is found in evergreen forest. Other varieties of forest and birds, snakes are turtles, alligators, crocodiles, swamps, cobras, pit vipers, pythons, gorilla, orangutans, monkey, and many more varieties of animals, birds, insects are found here. The second type of forest are tropical deciduous forest. These forests are not as dense as the rainforest. The region experiences seasonal changes and they are also known as monsoon forest. The major trees of these forests are bamboo, sandalwood, teak, and sal. Mangrove trees are also found in this region. The wildlife of this region is most commonly seen: tigers, leopards, gaur, foxes, hornbills, sloth, bear, langurs, deers can be found in the tropical deciduous forest easily. The third type of forest are temperate evergreen forest. The highland only consists of the coniferous trees. These forests are dense and timber is valuable. A mixed variety of hardwood trees are also found in this forest. The main trees are wattle, pine, oak, and eucalyptus. Wildlife of these forests include rodents like beavers, rat, squirrels, chipmunks, and one can also find marsupials like kangaroos in Australia. The next category of forest is temperate deciduous forest. These trees have thick trunks and broad leaves. They are not very tall and shed leaf in the autumn season and remain without leaves throughout the winter season. These types of forest are found in Chile, Japan, China, USA, and New Zealand. They experience moderate temperature, and the main trees of this forest are beech, poplar, oak, ash, and maple. The wildlife of temperate forest includes animals like raccoons, bears, foxes, deer, wolves, and pandas. The birds like monals and pheasants are also seen in this region. Mediterranean forest. This is the last category of forest. The vegetation found in these areas is very, very important because they have broad-leaved and green. They are not very dense. Trees are of medium height, but they are widely spaced. Due to extensive fruit cultivation in this region converted into the orchid of the world. The main regions where we can find Mediterranean forest are Asia, and in Asia, Israel, Lebanon, Syria and Cyprus. In Europe, Yugoslavia, Greece, Turkey, Spain, South France and Italy. In Africa, Tunisia, Algeria and Morocco, and many other countries have Mediterranean forest. The important trees of these forests are pines, olives, cedars, cypress, figs and oaks. The wildlife of these forests: goats, falcons, golden eagle, hawks, wood rats and spiny mouses. And there is one more category of forest, that is coniferous forest. These forests also known as taiga in Russian, which means untouched or pure. These forests found in Finland, Norway, Sweden, Alaska, Siberia, Poland, Russia, Canada and in many other countries. They are seen in the higher altitudes like in mountains. That's why they are known as taiga also. The tree grow in pure stand. The main species of coniferous trees are cedar, birch, spruce, fir and pine. Wildlife of these forests are lynx, foxes, beavers, sebels, mink and hare. Wolves, bears and mooses are also found in these forests. With this we are